I'm joined this afternoon with Tandy Rinker. You're the Executive Director, and also with Melissa Huguet, Director of Communications for Wyoming Health Fairs in Casper. That's a mouthful, but I got it out. How are y'all doing today?
Good. Doing good.
Okay, so we're here to talk about WyoGives, which is an exciting time for the state of Wyoming. It's the first time nonprofits have embarked on a 24-hour online day of giving taking place July 15th. I know personally in Cheyenne, we're super excited. Love to hear from both of you how the excitement level is in Casper.
We're very excited. I think it's a great opportunity for the Wyoming spirit and our pioneer thinking to kind of lead the way in this kind of giving. It's going to be really fun. I think it's a great idea, and we're very excited.
Tandy,
Yeah.
would you like to add anything to that?
No, we're excited about being a part of this. We learned about it last year at the Nonprofit Network conference, and we were really intrigued then. And now that we're being faced with COVID-19 issues and all of the challenges that faces, the timing was very appropriate.
So I would like to ask this question to both of you. I think it's important for people to understand a little bit about your organization, how you serve your communities, what you do. So if each of you would like to address that part of the question, I'd love to hear that.
Well, Wyoming Health Fairs has been in business for about 35 years. We provide low-cost blood screenings to Wyoming and the surrounding area. We do community, corporate events, and anybody can come in without a doctor's order to get their blood drawn, find out what their cholesterol is. Maybe they have a thyroid issue they're trying to get under control. Maybe it's a A1C issue. Anybody can come in. We have a plethora of tests to choose from. We're just now also getting into the COVID antibody testing and the COVID virus testing as well.
Excellent. Okay, so what I'd like to ask next is the importance of giving July 15th. We have over 130 nonprofits registered for WyoGives. I'm curious, Melissa, why your organization decided to jump on the bandwagon as well.
Well, it's not surprising to learn that there's a lot of nonprofits participating in this event. In my previous nonprofit experience, there was always a lot of activity, a lot of great nonprofits serving different niches within our state. We have, as Tandy alluded to, we are facing some very new challenges related to COVID-19. Never before have we had to really evaluate our procedures as detailed as we have. We've always felt very confident, very comfortable in the services that we were providing, and providing a safe environment for not only our staff, but also for the participants coming to us. But there's a different level now. So we are actually providing PPE to our staff that we haven't done before, such as full gowns, face shields in some cases. For our participants, we're actually providing face masks for them as well, because we are requiring them to come to us with those on. So we have a new level of expenses that we've never had before. So as Tandy said, the timing couldn't have been more appropriate.
So let's talk a little bit about the COVID-19 crisis and how it has impacted nonprofits statewide. I think it would be safe to say that now more than ever, nonprofits need dollars more than ever before. So what would you both like to say to donors or even potential new donors on why they should give to your organization or just nonprofits in general through WyoGives on July 15th?
Well, Wyoming Health Fairs has been self-sustaining for years. We operate this company on low-cost chemistry panels, and now we're being faced with canceled events, less participants, and an incredibly increased budget line item for PPE. And having to have all that is created quite a burden on us. And then our income has obviously been decreased drastically. And we want to continue for another 35 years in the state of Wyoming and the surrounding areas to provide our low-cost blood screening for individuals, corporates, and communities. So giving and helping us continue to provide those services is so appreciated.
And I imagine all the nonprofits participating in WyoGives are facing similar challenges, they're having to look at the way they're doing things and change things that they've been very comfortable doing. Not only is it, likely affected their donations and their bottom line, it's an increased level of stress. I mean, nonprofit employees already carry a lot of stress with all the different hats that they wear throughout the day. But it's very rewarding, and I believe the nonprofit organizations in the state want to continue doing everything that they have been doing, just in a different light now.
Well, we know that the nonprofits are the backbone of our communities. We appreciate all that you're doing in Casper for your community, and I'd like to wish you both great success July 15th, and let's make this an annual event.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.